you forget your confirmation number, this is how you can retrieve your Devilotree confirmation number. Follow me on this video. Go to Google and type Devilotree. Click on the check status, click on enter button, click on forget confirmation number. Choose 2023 year or go and check the 2024. Once it appears, go down and type your information. Last family name here, the first name in here, middle name. If you don't have, just go and check no middle name. Here, type your month, birthday, and the year. Write these characters. This is your confirmation code. Go down and type the authentication characters, then click on the submit button. Here you can find the result, either you are accepted or not being selected, like this results. Thank you for watching.